How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you an easy way to remove your hubcap covers on anything with a dual rear wheel. From the factory they come with a tool under the seat, which sometimes works, sometimes it doesn't, but they all make you put a steel bar against your aluminum wheel. It has a tendency to scratch them. And honestly, this is a 2021 Ford. I can't get it off any way I try with the factory tool. So I'm going to show you easy tool to buy. It's like 25 bucks, I think, and real easy to get these things on and off, and really save you the headache. Plus, it'll keep you from scratching your wheels here. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and if you got any questions, be sure to drop it down in the comments, and we'll do our best to help you out. So, what the tool is, I got this at Harbor Freight. It's just a 2-pound slide hammer. I think it was like $23. Out the door is like 26 or something like that. And it has a straight tool in it where we can screw that on the end and grab where you're supposed to grab the factory tool. You can put that in there and just pop it right out. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. Plus, you can use this tool for all kinds of things too around the garage. A slide hammer is always a tool nice to have. Comes with a nice little case here. Nice carrying case. And it's a Pittsburgh brand, so it's got a lifetime guarantee on it. So the one I'm going to use is this one here. You can see that it just got a little tang on it. And all you do is just screw it right on the end. And you just drop that tang in the factory opening there. Drops it right off there. No, you don't have to touch the aluminum or anything. That's how easy it is. So, and it's small enough. It's not one of them big slide hammer kits. It's small enough you can actually keep this under your seat or something, or behind your seat, where if you got to change your tire along the road, you have easy access to it. You don't have to be running to your garage or whatever, or hoping that the tire guy has one on his truck. So I hope this video helps you out. And if you have any questions on the tool or where I grabbed it out, I'll show you. I just slid it right in these tangs here, these cutouts. And just popped it right off there. Real easy to do. If you guys like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe button and really help us out there. And if you got any questions, be sure to drop it down in the comments and we'll do our best to help you out. Until next time, you guys stay safe out there.